3D printing technology, first conceptualized by Chuck Hull in the 1980s, allows for the creation of three-dimensional objects layer by layer from digital designs. Originally intended for rapid prototyping in industries, 3D printers have since found applications in education, medicine, manufacturing, and even home use. Hull's invention sparked a revolution, enabling the quick production of complex shapes and customized parts. From creating prosthetics to aerospace components, 3D printing has reduced the cost and time of production, paving the way for innovation in various fields and empowering creators worldwide.